Quick start to using a multisig with the graph network. Go ahead and set up a safe multisig. Note the account number right there. You'll also want to make sure that you are a signer or others are also a signer on this multisig. I'll confirm that I am a signer on this multisig by going up here, and you can see the 205D, and down there is a 205D as well. This wallet is on Arbitrum, so have some funds on this wallet, some GRT as well as some Arbitrum ETH. Then you'll go to Subgraph Studio and connect your multisig wallet to Subgraph Studio. Select Gnosis Safe. We know this is on Arbitrum. And then remember the multisig address. You're going to grab that address and bring it in from either in the page, or you could actually grab it from the top right there as well, like I did, and just copy paste. Then you'll connect your signer wallet. And then I'm using a ledger, so I'll have to confirm this transaction on my ledger. Confirmed. So now we are in Subgraph Studio through the multisig, and let's go to billing. Let's add GRT from our multisig to billing. And we have 250 GRT on the multisig, and right now 0 in GRT on our billing balance. Let's transfer from the multisig to the billing balance. We'll do 250 GRT, and then now we have to allow GRT access. Okay, let's go ahead and allow GRT to be transferred by signing this, and this is the signer wallet that's signing this that will send a request to the multisig that says, hey, everyone on the multisig, please approve allowing GRT to go to the billing balance. Won't actually send the billing balance just yet. We're just allowing this to occur. We'll go to the transaction queue, and then as the single signer on this multisig, I will allow this to occur. So I'll click on submit. Okay, I'll sign this. And then at this point, the access is granted. And I'll fast forward this a little bit, and now we can get on to the next steps of getting GRT to our billing. Now that we've allowed GRT access, let's go ahead and add GRT to our billing balance. Click Add GRT to Billing Balance, and once again, you'll have to confirm this within the multisig. Let's head back to the multisig and confirm the transfer of the 250 GRT into the billing balance. Now, once again, this is a multisig, of course, and so you'll need to coordinate with your team to get this executed properly. Click on Execute, then Submit, and then you'll confirm this. I'll do that on my ledger right now, and then I'll fast forward this a little bit so we can get to the final part. There we go, transaction was successfully executed. And let's see how these changes are reflected in the UI. Head down here, and there it is. 250 GRT is now in our billing balance. Really quickly, let's go over this page where you can see ongoing invoice, and that is the ongoing invoice for the queries that you are making. And I'd highly recommend, if you're at this page, to put in some emails in this location where you can get notifications surrounding billing. And I'll just put in test email. gmail.com. Put in your email and others on your team's emails to get notifications concerning billing and your subgraph. Thanks for taking the time to hop into this walkthrough on multisig billing with the Graph Network. If you have any other questions, go ahead and check the links down in the description below. Take care, everyone.